Hello. Hello. Oh, you can hear me now. Sorry, guys. I went through a whole spiel. My microphone was off. That's what happens when you're a caveman. Sorry, guys. Anyway, let's get these pips, man. It don't matter. Actions speak louder than words. Isn't that what they say? All right, so maybe we'll get a sweep here, guys. If we do get a sweep here, I will take a sell. Like I was saying, our session bias is mixed on US 30. It's mixed on all three. It's mixed on NAS and gold, too. The zones aren't huge today. As you can see, here's the pre-market high, here's the pre-market low. NAS seems to be maybe even a little smaller. NAS is right in the middle. US 30 is near the top. And then bringing up the rear, we got gold. Gold, the zone is much bigger. See session bias mixed. Well, it seems bigger. Maybe it's not much bigger. So that's where we're at, guys. We're waiting for the market to move a little bit here and give us something. US 30 is right near the top, so I'm hoping for a sweep right here, guys. Let's set it up so it's not confusing. People see what's going on. That's what I'm looking for. Whoops. All right, I'm getting ready, guys. Let me get to, damn, I need to get to the, I gotta open my trader here. Okay, I'm ready. Well, let's see what happens here. Come on, baby, ring that bell. You can ring my bell. So far, it's just right there in the supply zone sitting there. That's weird, man. I don't like the way that's acting right there. There's no reaction. It's like there's no sellers. All right, let's see if we rings the bell. There they are now. See what this candle does. I never rang the bell, guys, so I did not enter yet. I'm just watching. It came close, within a couple of pips, I guess. But it didn't actually sweep the area. You can see the end of the wick is like right here. That's the tallest one. I wanted to break through that zone. Let's see what NAS is doing. Nothing really. Gold. Nothing really. All right. That's our best bet. Here it comes again for another try. Come on, baby. I got my finger on the trigger here, guys. The tea is good today, man. Okay, I'm in a cell, guys. It just rang the bell. There's my entry right there. Boom. Let's see what happens. We are in profit. Immediate profit. I love it. All right, let's see. Let's make a plan here. Nice and early, too, the way I like it. What's it right there? That's 57 pips. That's a good place to take profit right there. See that? I'm going to put a line there. I'm going to change the color of that. TP is always like purple, so we can see it's a little different looking than the red, white, and blue theme we got going here. And yeah, so that's it. That's my, I'm going to take profit here, guys. I suggest you take profit here. Whatever you want to take, I'm going to take at least half, like I always do. At least half, sometimes 3/4, sometimes 2/3, depending on what kind of mood I'm in and how the candles are moving. I mean, if it just comes flying down here, you know, I'll let it go through and just take it here, whatever, you know. But I'm taking profit. I'm not going to let it come back. I'm not going to try my best not to let it come back, you know. And then I'm going to put a stop loss over here in somewhere in profit. Like yesterday, we grabbed 110 pips quick. Let's see if we can do the same today. I want to get rid of this alarm, though, guys. It's driving me nuts now. We don't need that now. All right, so we're right at our entry. We're a little bit in profit. I'm a couple of, well, actually, I'm a few pips in profit. All right, let's see what happens, guys. See if we can push down. Okay, we just added a demand zone here. So we got to break through that. Hopefully, we'll come all the way down to the 200. Nice and quick, especially, you know, as soon as we start getting volume in here. Guys, if it's your first time here, man, give me a like, please, and subscribe. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. And yeah, we're rocking it, man. We got a hell of a win streak going. I don't know what's going on here. All right. Kit Kat, the wildest people that comment and stuff. All right, guys, we're in profit a little bit. Let's see if we can get some momentum down here to drop. Right back at our entry. What's going on with the war, man? Any big news with the war or what? Maybe I should put the news on. Probably important. We're hanging around our entry there, guys, so we could go either way. Not gonna lie. Let's see if there's anything up here. There's really nothing up here to look at. Let me go to a higher time frame. Wow, we're up there, man. We're up there. I'm comfortable holding this sell because we're pretty high. Well, look, we got a lot here. Hold on. Let me take it back. All right, let's see what happens, guys. I got to go with my instinct, you know. We're in profit a little bit. I think we're going to push down, man. You know, we just took that liquidity. Let's see what happens. Bum, 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 bum. Gold looks like it might drop, man. We're in a zone right now, man. I mean, I would just consider this whole thing a zone. You guys see what I mean here? Now, I'm not going to take it because I'm in the US 30 trade right now. But I think it's a sell. Just the way it looks. All right, we're coming down, guys. We're in profit. You act accordingly, guys. I told you my plan is to take profit right here at this line. That's almost 60 pips. So I will be taking at least half right here. And then I'll be setting a stop loss behind this fair value gap if it's still here in profit. Okay, guys? But in that area. If it's not there, we'll put it in that area. And then we'll see how far we could drop. I suspect that we're going to come down here and sweep this low. You know, I don't know if I'll put that as my TP because it doesn't have to do it right away. But could come to this fair value gap. All right, guys, we're rocking and rolling. We're in profit. We should reject off that fair value gap, but we'll see. I'd like to see us reject off down. I'd like to see us come below this demand. Then that tells me we broke structure, tells me we want to come down. All right, back to the entry. Like 8 minutes to New York Open, guys. We're going to start getting some volume soon, I guess. 9:25. We should start seeing it get a little jerky. And then we're going to rock it, man. Who here knows we're going to win? Raise your hand. All right, I see you guys. What's your problem, man? I'm looking, man. All right. Still in profit, but we're hanging around our entry. Gold just went up. I got it on the big screen. So it did not drop. It went up. Let's see if it sweeps here and drops. Or if it sweeps here and drops. Still hanging around our entry. Okay, 7 minutes, guys. New York. I mean, the bright side of this is, guys, that we're going to win, first of all. But second of all, that we have very little drawdown, man. A couple of pips. So if this holds, it was a great entry. If, I said if. Make it a little bigger. We can see. Right at our entry. Oh, there we go. Just made a liar out of me. Come on now. Fall away. You know you're going to fall. Let me see if there's any news on the idiot box here. Hey, I'm back in profit. Right at our entry. Oh, it's going up. Starting to bounce around. We're starting to get a little volume. 5 minutes. Let me double check. Yeah, 5 minutes to New York Open. There is no news today, I don't believe. Let me check real quick. Today's 15. No news. Oh, no news for the rest of the week, guys. No red folders for the rest of the week. It's a very slow news week. That looks like it wants to go up, guys. I'm going to hold, guys. You don't have to hold. If it goes up, I'll just look for another entry above. All right, we just got the sell signal from the RSI. All right, let's see what happens, guys. Three minutes. Okay, it's going to fall now, guys. Ready? Here we go. Boom. See the alarm? All right, a minute and a half, guys. One more minute, guys. 1 minute. Here we come. There we go. We're in profit. Let's get a nice push down now. Come on. 30 seconds, guys. Okay, here we go. Swept up there. This sweep. There it goes. All right, here we come, guys. Oh, maybe it wants to go up. I don't know. I don't see any clear area up here. Just right here. All right, let's see what happens. Get rid of this one. You don't need it. All right, let's see. It's coming back down. Coming down strong, boys. Let's see if it can push through that fair value gap there. So far rejected. Here we come. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. You know you want to pay me. All right, we're in profit, guys. Let's go. Come on, keep going, baby. Nice. We touch that fair value gap and drop. Pushing down. All right, guys, take profit any way you want. I'm going to see if I can get this purple line like my plan. I'm planning on taking profit right here. Let's see if we can make it down there. We did just sweep that little zone, though. That's a little concerning. See that? See if we can push through there. We took the liquidity there. Oh, let's see what happens here. All right, we're pushing down again. All right, this candle is going to tell us what we got here. We just closed that fair value gap. Come on. Reject now. Let's head down. There we go. Here we come. Here we come, baby. Come on. All right, guys, I'm going to take like 3/4. I'm going to take a little more than half. I'm going to do it soon. Damn, I should have did it already. I don't like the way it's moving, you know? It's leaving these big wicks. I would say get out, guys, if you get a chance to get out. I'm still in, though, but I'm stuck in it. Let's see if it comes back down, gives me another shot. Yeah, if it comes below here again, I'm going to take 3/4. Anywhere down here. That's my plan now, because it looks to me like it wants to keep going up. All right, let's give us another shot here to get profit. So See what it does here. Here it comes. Come on, keep going, baby. One more push. Come on, one more push. Damn, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Come on, push, push, push. One more push down. I'm going to get out. I'm going to take profit, guys. All right, I took profit right there. I took 3/4. Got out like right here somewhere. All right, guys, don't let it go negative now if you took profit already. 48638. Oh, man, I'm stopped out already. I'm stopped out, guys. Damn. I hope you guys made some money on that, man. I closed at around 35 pips. I'm going to call it 35 pips. That was a tough one, man. It didn't really move the way I expected it to. But we still won, man. If you're still in it, guys, just hold for now. It's going to come back. It's going to come back, man. Don't panic. You're at the top of the chart. You're in good position, man. You're in a good position. You're in a sell at the top of the chart. All right, so just be calm. And, protect your capital, man. You guys know what to do. That's a W, man. Let me get W in the chat here. Shout out to my kick people. All right. Very nice. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to call it a day. We got another W. Just 35 pips today. But a win is a win. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Thanks for stopping by. God bless you guys. Cheers, guys. See you tomorrow.